trusts or family investment companies or anything like that touched upon in the budget in any
only to the extent that they, I mean, family investment companies typically by their nature are not really impacted by business relief, but trusts which have assets which qualify for business relief are potentially going to be affected because they're going to have, the trust is going to have its own £1 million allowance on business relief. So the old thing was, if you had a business relief asset in the trust, you wouldn't pay, for example, what we call 10-year charges. So for trusts, there's a tax, that's an inheritance tax that's payable every 10 years or when assets leave the trust. In the past, business relief assets didn't attract the 10-year charge or the exit charge. Now, again, if the value's in the trust of a business relief asset over £1 million, then there will be 10-year charges.
Okay.
The rate effectively is 3%. So you might look at that and say, well, that's not massive amounts, but the reality is that's still 3%, which you've got to find from somewhere within the trust to pay that charge every 10 years.
So. Yeah.